Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that's essential for every plumber's arsenal. The Ridgid 40617 Model 101 Close Quarters Tubing Cutter. This little guy has been making waves in the market, and for good reason. Stick around as we explore its features, usability, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your toolbox. The Ridgid 40617 is designed specifically for tight spaces and small diameter pipes. It's crafted from durable, high-grade steel, ensuring longevity and reliability even in demanding conditions. This cutter can handle a range of materials including hard and soft copper, aluminum, brass, and plastic, giving you unparalleled versatility. First up, let's talk about its cutting capacity. This tool can slice through tubes ranging from 1/4 inch to 11/8 inch, covering most standard sizes you'll encounter on the job. One of my favorite features is the knurled feed screw knob. It allows precise control over cutting pressure, ensuring clean, accurate cuts every time. This makes it incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The Ridgid 40617 isn't just about function. It's built to last. The slide and wheel housing are both lightweight and robust, adding to its durability without compromising on performance. Another standout is the inclusion of a spare cutter wheel. This thoughtful addition means you can keep working without interruptions, maximizing your uptime. Now, let's see it in action. I'll demonstrate how smoothly it cuts through copper tubing, showcasing its efficiency even in cramped spaces. Compared to other cutters in its class, the Ridgid 40617 stands out for its ergonomic design and precise cutting capabilities. While some may offer similar features, few can match its combination of durability and ease of use. As we wrap up, it's easy to see why the Ridgid 40617 Model 101 Close Quarters Tubing Cutter is a favorite among professionals. Whether you're tackling plumbing projects or working with metals and plastics, this tool delivers consistent results. If you're in the market for a reliable tubing cutter, this one deserves serious consideration. Check out the link in the description below to find out more about the Ridgid 40617 and where you can get your hands on one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and product insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.